Our hands serve many purposes, so when pain and stiffness affect the hand, it is important to seek treatment. At the Plastic Surgery Group of Rochester, doctors are trained in treating a variety of hand ailments.
Many conditions can affect your hands. Arthritis, trauma, and carpal tunnel syndrome can all cause pain and loss of function. Almost everything that's not traumatic is related to tendinitis in some way. Tendinitis causes carpal tunnel, tendinitis causes trigger fingers, tendinitis causes all sorts of aches and pains in the hand.
In this day and age, many people suffer from ailments of the hand that are caused by repetitive motion.
Patients who come in, and you can almost guarantee them an operation immediately, is, do you wake up at night? Yes. Are you numb when you drive any great distance holding on a steering wheel? Yes. Carpal tunnel is a nerve compression in terms of its symptoms. So what you have really most commonly is somebody complaining of numbness and tingling in their hands.
The Plastic Surgery Group of Rochester can treat patients with arthritis through the use of medication and sometimes with surgery.
The most common arthritis that I see in the office that needs intervention or needs an operation is the base of the thumb. So you begin to get pain and burning and aching up into the thumb, and the trigger points that are sort of the benchmark are if you press here and to a lesser extent here. And if you catch the thumb and make a little crank out of the thumb like this and do this and twist it, it grates there, and we call that a grind test.
Other hand problems can include trigger finger and ganglion cysts.
The pain with trigger finger is often here. As we said, this is the joint that moves. Occasionally you can get triggering up in here, or you can get triggering in the hand down here in the carpal tunnel, because just like there's a pulley here, the carpal tunnel is technically a pulley to stop your hand bowstringing like this. It has to go through the pulley to pull your fingers down. So that's the common place for pain in trigger finger. The best way to describe a ganglion cyst, because the name is confusing, is as a hernia of the joint. Ganglia cysts are basically in three areas. We see ganglia coming from tendon sheaths, and they're most common in this sort of inch of the hand. We see ganglia commonly coming from the distal interphalangeal joints, and they're related to arthritis. And the other ganglia then are either on the back of the wrist or on the palmar surface of the wrist, and these are the ones I think are related to wrist strain most frequently.
The Plastic Surgery Group of Rochester performs hand surgery at all 4 hospitals, with a significant amount of their work being done at Rochester General Hospital.
At the moment, we do most of our surgery at Rochester General Hospital. The anesthesia there is superb. They run a very, very efficient ambulatory surgery unit. They have looked after us very well. They've been very responsive in getting equipment, and it's really been a very good relationship.
With 3 board-certified hand surgeons on staff, the Plastic Surgery Group of Rochester recently opened the Rochester Hand Center at their new facility in Linden Oaks, which includes hand therapy specialists. Call 922-4722 for more information.